Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a video to a PowerPoint presentation using PowerPoint 2010. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, take a moment to ensure that you have the correct file by navigating to the presentation you wish to work on. This ensures you are editing the desired presentation before moving forward. After opening your presentation, you will need to locate the menu options at the top of the PowerPoint window. Direct your attention to the tab labeled Insert. The Insert tab houses several multimedia and object insertion options, making it the ideal place to add visual content to your slides. Within the Insert tab, look for the option that allows you to insert a video into your presentation. By finding and clicking on the video option, you open up a range of video insertion possibilities. This step prepares your presentation to include high quality motion content that can enhance your slides and engage your audience. Once you have clicked on the video option, your screen may present several choices. Focus on the option labeled Stock Videos. Choosing stock videos gives you access to a curated collection of video footage that is readily available and professionally produced. This feature eliminates the need for external sourcing and ensures that the video quality will meet professional standards. At this point, you will see a search option that allows you to find the exact type of video footage you are looking for. Type in the keywords that match your desired content into the search bar provided. It is a good idea to clearly define what type of footage you need, whether it's for a background, a specific demonstration, or illustrative purposes, as this helps narrow down your selection to the most relevant matches. After entering your search terms, take a brief pause to review the available options on the screen. Once you have identified the video that best fits your presentation's theme or message, proceed by clicking the Insert button. This action confirms your selection and places the chosen video into your presentation slide, where you can further adjust its position, size, and settings as required. This entire process is designed to be straightforward and efficient, ensuring that even those with minimal experience in multimedia editing can successfully integrate dynamic video content into their PowerPoint presentations. As a practical tip, always check the positioning and playback settings of your inserted video during a slideshow preview to ensure that it runs smoothly. In summary, by opening your PowerPoint presentation, navigating to the Insert tab, and selecting the video option, you can easily incorporate stock video footage into your work. The process has been designed to be intuitive, ensuring that your message is visually enhanced and your audience remains engaged throughout your presentation. Enjoy experimenting with the various video content available and have fun creating dynamic presentations that capture your audience's attention.